Okay, if you are a fresher preparing for a data analyst role, just sit with me for a few minutes because I want to tell you something I see again and again. Students prepare everything like SQL, Excel, Python, project. They even collect certifications as well. Everything is done. But when they sit in the interview, simple questions come and they suddenly get stuck. Not because they don't know, but because they don't know how to say it. And that's where they lose the opportunity. And honestly, I have seen this so many times with the people who reach out to me that now I can almost predict where they will struggle. So today, I will help you fix that. Hello everyone, I'm Sona Bhatt, your interview coach, and if you are new here, welcome. I work with freshers and professionals, and my job is very simple. Help you not just prepare, but actually get selected. So let's make this very practical. So let's start with the most important one. Tell me about yourself. And I will be very honest here. This is where most freshers, especially data analysts, lose confidence. Either they start with school or they just start saying things randomly. And in their head, everything makes sense. But to the interviewer, it feels scattered. Think about it like this. If someone asks you, tell me about your day, you won't start with the morning brushing, right? You will pick the most important part of the day. Same here. So use the simple structure: present, skill, proof, and goals. Let me give you an example. I'm a recent graduate in computer science and I have developed a strong interest in data analysis. During my coursework, I work with tools like Excel, SQL, and Python. For example, in my final year project, I analyzed sales data to identify trends. Now I'm looking for an opportunity where I can apply these skills in the real business environment. See the difference? Clear, simple, no confusion. And one small tip that I want to give you, don't try to sound perfect. Try to sound clear, and that's more important. So now let's talk about the question number 2. Why data analyst? And here, most answers sound the same. Trust me, sound the same. I like data, I like numbers. Okay, but everyone says that, right? So how do you stand out? Just make a story to answer this. Your interest, your exposure, and your decision. Something like this. I have always been interested in working with data because I enjoy solving problems. During my studies, when I worked on data sets, I realized how insights can actually help in decision making. That's when I decided to build my career in data analytics. That's it, simple. And stories always sell. And one thing I want you to remember, the interviewer is not expecting something extraordinary. They just want to see whether this person is having clarity or not. That's it. Now this is very important, your project. And I have seen two extremes here. Either people over-explain or they confuse the interviewer completely. And sometimes they themselves get lost in their own explanation. So keep it structured to give a perfect answer. Problem, tool, action, and result. Let's check this example. In one of my projects, I worked on analyzing customer purchase data. The goal was to identifying buying patterns. I used Excel and SQL to clean and analyze data, and based on that, we identified key trends to help understand customer behavior. Simple. One thing keep in mind that don't try to impress with big data. Try to impress with the truth. Now strength. And this is where I feel little bad sometimes because I hear the same answer again and again. I'm hardworking, I'm quick learner, I'm this, I'm that. Okay. But how do I know as a recruiter that you are actually hardworking or anything else? You have to focus on skill plus example. Let's check this. One of my strengths is attention to detail. During one of my projects, I found inconsistencies in the dataset and fixing them improved the accuracy of the results. See the difference. Now I can believe you that yes, you have attention to detail skill. Don't try to be good here, try to be true here. And now the last one, and very underrated. Do you have any questions for us? And many freshers say no. And I understand why. You feel like maybe I should not ask anything. But actually, this is your chance. If you say nothing, it feels like you are not interested, you are not prepared. So just ask simple questions like, what kind of project will I be working on? What skills should I focus on to perform well? That's enough. You are not being judged for asking, you are being noticed. So please ask questions. See, I want to tell you something very important and very honestly. I see this pattern again and again with freshers who reach out to me. They know everything, but they don't practice speaking. They think in their head, but interview is not thinking, it is speaking. And these two, like thinking and speaking, are two different skills. So please practice out loud. Even it feel awkward, that awkward practice is what make you confident later. So just remember this, you don't need perfect English for this. You don't need fancy answers to clear the rounds. You just need clear, structured answer. That's what gets you selected. Okay, now tell me in the comments which question do you struggle with the most. And if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And share this video with someone who's preparing for data analyst role. I'll see you in the next video. Your coach, Sona Bhatt.